Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send memes to your friends on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open the Kik app on your phone. After you open it, you can go to any of the chat with your friends. The next thing you want to do is click on the three or click on the box looking icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and you can see this penguin option, which is memes. So go ahead and tap on the memes icon, wait for a while, and you can see some of the memes over here. So if you want to send pictures, you can do that as well, or else you can just go ahead and select the meme which you want. So after you select it, you can see that you can add a text to the top and you can add a text to the bottom as well. Click on done and click on the share via Kik option, and you can easily send this. So click on send, and as this is sent, you can see that it will be loaded. So you can easily send memes on Kik. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.